Hi Gemini, this is your quick energy check. Gamit natin si The Guardians of the Night Tarot. So if you're new, subscribe, like, and share. And this will be for guidance purposes. Tingnan natin. So your first sun, moon, and rising mo, Gemini, we have here is the card of the star. You know what? May mga bagay na nangyayari na parang feeling mo hindi akma doon sa mga plan mo. Hindi nagsusupport doon sa mga target mo. But kaya medyo parang napatigil ka or bigla ka naging stagnant. Actually, it is part of the plan of the universe. The card of the star is saying, ito yung moment to evaluate. Ano ba yung mga kailangan mong gawin? Sino ba yung mga kailangan mong kausapin? Ano yung mga kailangan mo i-dispose? Ano yung mga, kumbaga, review to. This is a moment for you to review the things na mga nangyayari. This is, siguro, pwede natin tingnan para sa karera. This is a pit stop. Meaning, ito yung parang time para to evaluate. Ano pa ba yung mga kulang? Ano pa ba yung mga dapat asikasuhin? So, yes, akala mo stagnant, pero it's all part of the process na ginagawa ng universe. And this process is very important kasi dito mo makikita, baka meron ka pang na-miss out, meron ka na neglect, meron ka na iwanan along the way, which will allow you to fix as soon as possible. So I hope nakatulong yung reading. Those are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. And I'll see you very soon. So subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.